is disgusting. I know just the thing for it. I'll be right back. Super clean.
Whoa, super clean.
Yeah. That,
All right, let's put it to the test.
All right.
that works magically.
What's up, guys? We've got a lot of work to do. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We've got Jake's hatchback finally out from under the carport. It's been hanging out back there for a few months, and you can tell. Got cobwebs all over this poor thing. So we're about to power wash it. And all up in this nasty engine bay, we're gonna be using Super Clean. This product is amazing, guys. We use it for all of our projects. It just cuts through all the grease, the oil, anything that you throw at it.
Some car wash soap, some Dawn dish soap, some water, and some Super Clean.
All right.
Special concoction.
You saw it here at Blondie's garage. The Super Clean worked great. The hatch looks like a brand new car again. Compared to what it was, at least. I hear you being a show off.
I just had to make sure the two-step still works.
Uh-huh.
It's been so long.
It has been a while. It still sounds great. Yeah. Super Clean made this car look a lot better.
Sorry, neighbor.
It is the best cleaning stuff in the whole wide world.
Yeah, go Super Clean. We've got to clean and undercoat the wheel wells.
What are we gonna do? This is disgusting.
It is a mess under here. Grayson, what do you think this needs?
Oh. That is disgusting. I know just the thing for it. I'll be right back. Super clean.
Whoa, Super Clean.
Yeah. That,
All right, let's put it to the test.
All right.
that works magically.
Check it out, guys. Some Super Clean is gonna tackle this mess with no problem. Let's see how it works.
It's the best cleaning supplies ever. Buy it now. Shop Super Clean.
Trying out the aerosol can.
Yeah, we've used Super Clean products in the past, and they have not disappointed.
Super Clean did really good cleaning my electric dirt bike. I recommend it.
We've got everything coated. Now it's time to scrub. We've got the cars under the plastic. It's about to get really dirty and dusty in here. We're gonna be roughing it up with these fiber discs. That way it's ready for the undercoat. These wheel wells are looking great. We got everything cleaned up, and Jake put a nice fresh coat of black paint on there. Now we're getting ready to do the undercoating. Check out our big wall of plastic. We've got that wrapped up. We're just about ready to start spraying the Raptor liner. You ready, babe?
Yup, let's do this.
All right. Yeah, buddy, those wheel wells look great. We've got the Raptor liner finished up. The wheel wells look great on both sides. Next up, we're going to be painting the trailing arms. That way we can get all the suspension put back on. Before we know it, this drag hatch will be back on the ground. We worked hard. Now it's time to go play hard. Okay, you're on mode 2?
Yep, we're on mode 2.
Okay, are we lined up?
Close enough.
Okay.
On your mark.
Dad, can we do it in mode 1?
On your mark. Get set, go.
But I slowed down.
Huh?
I slowed down at the end because I was trying to stop.
Alright, let's go the other way. You ready?
Wait, mode 1?
Yeah.
Okay, we're all lined up.
Yep.
Mode 1.
Okay, on your marks, get set, go! On mode 1.
Yeah, that was mode 1.
Nah, you went like lightning bolt. That was like 2 or 3 at least. He tricked us.
I'll do mode 1 for real this time.
He tricked us.
Mode 1? You got mode 1?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Alright, I'm mode 1.
Okay, you guys mode 1?
Yeah. On your mark, get set, go.
Yep, you're faster. It's been so much fun blowing off steam riding our razors around this wide open parking lot, but now we're going to go ahead and hit the trails and head back toward the truck. This is one of my favorite parts of the trail. I love how you can see the bridge. It looks really cool. Plus all the twists and turns. That was awesome, guys. Thanks so much for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.